contracts explained. Simple, fun, and real. Alright, let's start from the top. What exactly is an event contract? Imagine this. You are watching the markets and someone asks you, "Hey, do you think Bitcoin will go above 60,000 by 2 p.m. today?" And you say, "Yeah, I think so." Boom! That's an essence of an event contract. You are not buying the asset, you are betting on a specific outcome. Yes or no? Now, how's that different from regular derivatives? Good question. With traditional derivatives like options or futures, you are dealing with complex pricing models, multiple strike prices, margin calls. It can feel like you need a finance degree to get in. But with event contracts, you are simply predicting the outcome of a clearly defined event and your risk is fixed from the start. So you put up $10 on yes. If you are right, you get fixed payout, say $20. If you are wrong, you lose your $10. That's it. Simple, transparent, and no surprises. And why does it matter? Because it opens the door for everyday people to get involved in the markets. Not as traders in suits, but as people making informed decisions, one event at a time. So let's go a little deeper. The real magic behind event contracts is accessibility. You don't need to know complex jargons like delta, theta, or implied volatility. All you need is a clear opinion on a real world event. Think of it like a market based opinion poll, but with skin in the game. Let's say there's an upcoming earning call from Apple. You are following the news. Maybe you have heard they have a record breaking quarter. Now that's an event contract that asks, will AAPL close above $180 today? You can act on your conviction even if you are not a seasoned trader. And the best part, your loss is capped. Always. That removes a ton of anxiety from the trading experience. Now, what kind of events are we talking about? We are not just talking about crypto or stocks. Event contracts can be based on economic releases like CPI data or interest rate decisions, political events like election or government shutdowns, commodity prices, oil above or below a certain level. Even market indexes like the S&P 500 or NASDAQ. The scope is wide and it keeps growing. So who's this really for? Event contracts are ideally for new traders looking to learn without taking a huge risk. Experienced traders who want to hedge or test predictions. Anyone who's curious about the markets and want a way that's fun and understandable. Let's be real, it's a refreshing break from the overcomplicated platform. You log in, pick an event, say yes or no, enter your amount, and that's it. You have made a trade. Oh, and you can trade with as little as a few bucks. That's perfect for learning by doing without risking your savings. Now you might be thinking, okay, that sounds cool, but is this legit? Absolutely. On platforms like FXNN, event contracts are built with a regulated framework, which means your trades are processed with transparency, fairness, and compliances in mind. This isn't some sketchy offshore binary option site. FXNN operates under regulatory guidelines that protects users. Here's the bottom line. Event contracts are about making market participation simple, safe, and engaging. You don't need to be glued to charts all day. You just need an opinion and the confidence to act on it. Stick around because in the next video, we'll show you how to read a live event market page and actually trade one.